So this is just a quick video on how to change a flush valve seal on a Mansfield toilet. I've already replaced it, but decided to do a video on how to fix it. It's a very easy fix if you have a Mansfield toilet and it feels like this thing is almost impossible to lift up with a flusher. It's probably because your flush valve seal is messed up, just like this one. So on this one, you just disconnect that, unscrew this over here, and basically move that off to the side. This thing will come up all the way to the top. That right there is a new flush valve seal, and basically there's a groove over here that you just basically put the seal into. See that? You could just put it in there, and it should seat nicely. So with a new flush valve seal, this thing should work perfectly. Kind of hard to do this one-handed, even harder to do it left-handed, but basically it's a very easy fix. Takes about a minute with the right parts, and then turn the water on, and we'll wait the 30 seconds. Yeah, also be careful because sometimes the rubber gets a little bit, gets your hands dirty, but it will save you some money. Instead of calling someone to come over and fix it, you could do it yourself. And earlier this thing was almost impossible to flush. Oh man, got my pants all dirty. That's fine. Yeah, so basically now with these, it flushes. I'm not gonna bore you guys with a long video, but that's pretty much it. That's how to fix a Mansfield toilet flush valve seal if this is almost impossible to lift up.